Everything sucks.
Just kidding.
Everything is great.
No, really.
I haven't thought about my ex today. Wait, fuck, I just did.
Hola Venturistas! Welcome to my channel and what's up? Ngayong araw nandito ako sa Lubo, Batangas at nanggaling pa ako ng Metro Manila. Sa inabahaba ng aking biyahe, kailangan ko na ng pahinga para ma-relax ko ang sarili ko sapagkat malayo pa aking tataking biyahe papunta sa probinsya ng Laguna pabalik sa Metro Manila.
Always wonder what is love. Is it burning red or ocean blue? I never felt the butterflies like those lovers do until I met you. You're standing there, I'm holding my breath, 'cause I'm terrified to tell you that I think I'm in love with you. Storm clouds of gray blocking me off from your way. Can I get through all your icy haze if you let me stay?
Anong isla yan?
Is it too late?
Isla Verde.
Is it too late? I wanna turn back the time and held your hand in mine. Had I known you were in pain, I'd be your sunshine in the rain. I will light your darkest days, so trust me, baby, let me stay. I promise you'll be okay, 'cause I won't be your sunshine in the rain. I never thought you'd be the one, 'cause back in high school we're young and dumb. Why are you so insecure about your life? Can't relate, 'cause darling, you're gorgeous. Can't seem to forget about your everlasting stare. And I was like, I think I'm in love. But what is that? Storm clouds of gray blocking me off from your way. Did you know you broke my heart when you said I'll never love again?
Thanks for watching.